Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to my watch vlog. This is my dedicated space to my ongoing beginner's journey with watches. Now, what I have over here is my first ever modded or modified G-shock CASIOAK. So to those who don't know, the CASIOAK is the GA-2100, and it's called the CASIOAK because if you take a look at it, it reminds you of the AP Royal Oak, which is a ridiculously expensive watch. Now, usually when you take a look at the G-shock GA-2100, they look like this. So they're made of the typical resin material of G-shocks, very tough, very durable, shock resistant, and they look dope. The great thing about this particular watch is that they're very lightweight, they're easy to wear, especially if you have thinner wrists, because if you know G-shocks, they're usually massive. Now, in today's episode, this was something that I bought from the Photo Watch guy. So he is a watch modder, a watch modifier, a watch customizer here in the Philippines. And I know that there are like kits that you can buy and you can modify it yourself, but I totally suck when it comes to DIY. That is like my bane. I'm not good at that. I'm good at business, I'm good at content creation, I'm good at a lot of things. But one thing I'm not good at is DIY stuff. I totally suck. And that's the reason why I think I'm the target market of this guy, because he just does he does everything and you can just buy it from him. So this is going to be my first modded G-shock ever, and we'll unbox it, take a closer look, and then put it on wrist. Let's go. Okay guys, so let's do it to it. Comes in your typical G-shock box, and if you pop this open, whoa! So this used to be the original parts of the G-shock, GA-2100 Royal Oak. So he removed the band, and he removed it fell to the ground, but yeah, he removed the bezel. So let's set this aside, and then you have the typical paperwork and manuals of a G-shock, and then here it is. First time I'm going to see it. Oh, well, it's still the tin. So yeah, let's take it. This is it. First time we're going to see it. This is the modified G-shock CASIOAK by the Photo Watch guy. What's up? Woo! Oh my God, that is shiny. What? Guys, OMG. Dang, this looks crazy good. So, oh wow, it even changed the clasp. So it's now some sort of like butterfly clasp over here, or a deployant clasp. This looks really dope. OMG. So let's take a look at the changes. What I'll do is I'll get my other CASIOAK so we can compare it side by side. I think it's very similar to the black-white one. I don't have the black-white anymore, I just have the all-black. But let's get both watches. So here you have it, side by side. This is the modified. This is one of the original versions. So the first thing that changed is you have this steel case, which he swapped in. Instead of your typical resin case, it might be something that's over the resin. And then, as you can see, he removed the bezel and he replaced it with a black type of bezel as well, with screws all around it, to make it look even more crazy kick-ass. I mean, this watch is already good as it is, but man, the changes he made are just something else. And if the dial itself looks the same, I don't think he changed anything with the dial. I may be wrong. And if you take a look at the strap, this one is so much more luxe compared to your typical G-shock GA-2100 strap. So this one, as you can see, it's your typical watch strap. This one, as you can see, it is like some sort of deployant clasp. So let's put it on wrist. Wow, holy what? Man, this looks so nice. I mean, I kid you not, guys. This looks really good. So there you have it. My first ever G-shock modded watch. This is actually the first modded watch I've ever shown here on the channel. I own another modded watch which I got, which is a Seiko, which I'll do another video on. This is my first modded G-shock, and it looks absolutely crazy. I mean, wow. Photo Watch Guy on Facebook, you did an amazing job on this one. Guys, if you want one, I will link down below to his Facebook. You can message him. I don't think he can ship outside of the Philippines, but he can. If he can, just ask him on, well, on Facebook. So maybe before we end, I just want to take a closer look at the buttons if they work. So you have the 4 control buttons on the corners over here. So yeah, the light up function is here. It's actually still easy to press. It's not hard at all. So wow, I mean, I have nothing bad to say. This is exceptional work. And I am happy I pulled the trigger on this one. 2 thumbs up. 2 thumbs up. Now, speaking of the GA-200, before we close out the vlog, I am waiting for the transparent skeleton version of this to hit the Philippines. I know that at Tokyo, my favorite multi-brand shop will be carrying it. I've confirmed it with them. So we will definitely get our hands on that. If you are waiting for my unboxing and review of that piece, I will definitely share you the unboxing here on the vlog. And if you missed my episode on the first skeleton transparent G-shock that I've ever owned, check it out. I will link it down below. It's a really nice watch, a very fun watch. The only issue I have with it is that the light, the LED light, is not next to non-existent because it just lights up like the lower portion. So when it's dark and you press it, you still can't read the time. So it's really weird, that watch. But yeah, really happy with this mod. Again, shout out to the photo watch guy. A link down below to his Facebook. Bro, I appreciate your work. Really well done. Super nice. Let me know what you guys think of this watch in the comment section down below. What do you think of modified watches? What do you think of watches like this? Let me know in the comments. I'll try my best to reply to as many of you as possible. And as usual, this is Carlos signing out. I hope you guys are all doing fine. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.